LUX Skin Micro Infusion Kit. Ever wondered if it really delivers professional-grade anti-aging results right at home? It claims to do exactly that, using ultrafine microneedles to help your serum absorb deeper. It also promises to smooth wrinkles, firm your skin, and give your complexion a youthful boost with its special peptide-rich serum. But is it really legit? Let's break it down. First, a positive sign. They actually list all the ingredients used in the kit. That's great because you know exactly what's going on in your skin. And if you have allergies or sensitive skin, you can check safely before using it. Second, they help you figure out which microinfusion kit is for you. Whether you need the anti-aging kit, hydration kit, or skin renewal kit, this guide helps you pick the one that fits your skin goals best. Third, they show what to expect. Visible improvements in just a few sessions and long-lasting results after regular use. It's nice to know what's realistic, smoother, firmer, more youthful-looking skin, right? Fourth, they've shared clinical testing. Lab tests show a reduction in skin aging enzymes by up to 44%, supporting claims of firmer, more elastic-looking skin. They even did independent third-party testing, which is a good sign of transparency. Now let's talk about reviews. On their platform, it shows over 19,000 reviews with a 4.7-star rating. Sounds amazing, right? But honestly, some of these could be fake or cherry-picked. Looking at external platforms like Trustpilot, the picture is more mixed. Some users notice smoother, firmer skin, less sagging, and a more defined jawline after consistent use. But others report skin irritation, breakouts, poor product quality, and problems with refunds or returns because of shipping costs. So, is the LUX Skin Micro Infusion Kit legit? Well, it shows some promising signs: transparent ingredients, clear kit guidance, realistic expectations, and lab testing. But mixed reviews show that results can vary, and there are concerns about safety and reliability. If you decide to try it, patch test first and take it slow. Thanks for sticking around till the end. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and updates.